Today on Chong the Dog's Barktalk, I like to talk about vengeance. Vengeance is God's way of testing if you really are good at heart or not. God's vengeance is always not the dark one. It's the one that when you stand up for what is right, what is just, and the things that matter in life. God's vengeance is just us relying on our instinct and doing the right thing. That's what God's vengeance is. And yes, He does work through people, and that's okay because that's what we're supposed to do is work through each other. And working through each other is what we're meant to do. And I guess what I'm perceiving all this with God's vengeance is the one that loves the most, that wants true justice for someone's soul, is generally the one that comes out on top. Because God's will is to have us there, looking out for each other. And the one that works in the impure of hearts is the ones that get exposed. And exposure is part of God's justice also. God's justice is just about showing the good and not the bad. So even in bad times, if you feel like doing these horrible things to people, don't. Let fate take care of it. Because fate is what we have in the world. Here's that crooked tree I like so much. But God bless everyone, and I hope everybody is well. My followers, subscribers, everybody. And have a great day.